how to change hotspot password on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your hotspot password on your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on portable hotspot. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then there you'll see the option labeled as setup portable hotspot option. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just find the password section, and once you found it, you can just tap on that particular box, and after that you can just delete the current password if needed, and with that you can simply enter the new password. Now here, once you have set up the new hotspot password, then you can just tap on the check mark icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes. And with that, your hotspot will now use the new password. So any device that were previously connected will need to reconnect using the updated password. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.